What's up, people? So this is the deal. We're in contract with a couple of properties. I think it's like anywhere from 3 to 5. The offers are in. We're waiting for them to close. We got the property appraised. We ordered the title. The attorneys are working back and forth to make sure that everything is clear to close. Get the keys and start the construction. In the meantime, we've been working on blueprints, permits for the electricity, for the plumbing, for the building, for each property. We're preparing the packages, talking to the architects, having them give us the new layouts, and then we're putting everything together so that as soon as we close, we could submit the package for our construction permits, and then we're gonna start showing you guys the whole construction process. Come, call us, DM us, like us.